Wheels on the bus slide. What? Hey, what's up? John Charette here, and today I'm going to unbox 2 of the new ProArt products that I was super excited about when I went to CES this year. And then I got sick, and then I mean that part wasn't fun, but I finally got my hands on this new all-in-one cooler, their LC420, along with their new case, the PA602. Huge thanks to Canada Computers for helping me get these devices. They were just, I saw them at CES, which was in January, and it took me until, I don't know, late April to be able to find them. I bought these, I'm putting them into a build. If you did see my ProArt 4080 Super review that I did, I can check the link here. I'm putting together a full ProArt creator build with all these parts, but first I want to unbox these. So this is a follow along. I haven't opened these. I have no idea what's inside the box. I'm just winging it. Let's go open these up and we can figure it out. So, I mean, it's pretty heavy. We'll start with the cooler. This is a 420 mil cooler. It has 3 140 mil fans in it. And if you didn't know, the fans are actually by Noctua, which is pretty cool. Okay, ProArt, cool. I mean, all right, nice. Here, what's in the box? Hopefully top down you can see this better. 1 Noctua fan, 2 Noctua fan, and 3. These things are massive. Like they are, I forget how big 140 mil fans really are. That's pretty crazy. Inside, okay, we literally have the 420 mil rad. Let's see what this thing looks like. Connected to, okay, look at the size of this thing. So huge. And then what's cool about this guy is they have a pretty unique design for the pump itself. There's a light here that lights up. Like I say, I will not be installing this today. It's just more of an unboxing and a first look at things. When I do the full build, I'll get all that in. But I mean, it looks pretty simple. Cabling wise, it just looks like there's one cable. Not sure how they all connect just yet. I just had a comment on one of my other builds with the Arctic Freezer 2. No, I'm lying. It was the EK all-in-one, the Elite, the 360 mil. There was cables everywhere. Every single fan had 2 cables and they all had to go into a header, and it was an absolute mess. So I really hope this is a different story. What else is inside the box? Hold on. Okay, cool. And okay, there's some brackets, lots of screws. Like I say, you can use this with Intel or AMD, and a lovely manual. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let me put that. There's no way it's going back in the box the way it was. Pretty neat. Maybe I should keep this as like a ProArt thing. We'll see how long until that falls. Next, let's grab the case. This is a very heavy case. Does it even say on the side? Weight, yeah, 19.2 kilograms in pounds, multiplied by 2.2, 45 pounds. It has some weight to it. Don't really know what my theory is here. Is there instructions on the box? Oh, there is too. Ha! Right here. You have to squeeze it in at the top and then pull. So it's not, there you go. Ooh. That's pretty cool. That's pretty, oh. Manual up top. Also accessory. If you're looking for those, you can't find them, on top of the phone. Okay, Abra, Cadabra. Ooh, that looks like a handle I can lift from. Ta-da! What it's saying here, there's 2 buttons, and I think there's a button here. And maybe this, ta-da. There's that front panel where you can see it actually says ProArt. Can you see through it? Hold on. Kinda, yeah. It says ProArt symbol on there. It's pretty cool. And there's a huge filter. So there's a button on this side here. Push it in, boop, and this pops up. So that tempered glass comes off. It is huge, which is awesome. There is another 140 back here. Two 200 mil fans, I think, in the front here. Let me turn this so you can see it. That's awesome. The filter, that'll pull air in. There's actually an air filter sensor right here that'll tell you when the sensor needs to be cleaned. I haven't tested it yet, not sure how that works. These are kind of covers for cables as they come in. I'm pretty sure you can take them off, they're optional. This is a GPU sag bracket right here. Lots of room up top. The all-in-one will go up top. It can fit a full 420 mil all-in-one or radiator. That's what's a little bit unique about this. Most cases can only do 360 mil. This is another shroud here. Yeah, I think I've seen videos where both of these can come off. I do have an ROG power supply that we're putting here, and it's pretty fancy looking. It has the one with the display on the side. I may keep it. I may take this off so I can see that. To be determined when I do the build. Show you in the back. There's a GPU. You put your GPU in, you don't have to screw it in, you just close that on it and it secures your GPU. I'll give it to Asus. They definitely go up and above. I don't even know how that connects, I'm not gonna bother. They definitely go up and above for some of their products. Yeah, it's a little bit pricier, but you can just see, there's wheels. There's wheels on the back. Hold on. There's wheels on the bus, round and round. Wheels, slide. It rolls. What? With the case this big, that is sick. That is sick. All right, okay. And that's it. Both products are at least unboxed. They look pretty cool. I think I'm more excited about the case than I am about the all-in-one. I have my reservations with the all-in-one. It was almost as expensive as the case, and I hope it'll really add to the build. I'm still on the fence if it was worth the money. So I'll wait and see once it's in a build, see how well it performs, see how it pulls the whole aesthetics together, maybe even try a different one in there. But the case itself looks incredible. Lots of room. If you did want to do a custom water cooling loop, it looks like there's lots of room in there. Airflow is going to be insane as you're pulling in those two 200 mil fans from the front and then exhausting out the top through the radiator, and then even the 140 at the back. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I will do that full ProArt Creator build, and I'll explain why I bought some things new, why some things used, and how much it would cost you to build a similar system. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.